Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just thought I'd get in a quick video. Today is February 9th, 2017, and today is a free snow day. Woohoo! It is like, outside is ridiculous, I swear. So I have to show you guys, like, this is like just insane. I'm just opening my door. Okay, so this is just crazy. It's still snowing and it's like 8:30 in the morning. I don't know. What do you guys think? This is insane. I'm staying in today. I'm just gonna get an early workout in. And, well, I was gonna make another video later as well. Because I did want to talk about a few things. But maybe I'll just wait until my weigh-in. So, alright guys, I just wanted to keep this one short and sweet, and that the weather's crazy. It's still snowing. It was snowing. It started snowing probably like around midnight. I wanted to check my watch to see what time. Yeah, I think it's about 8:30-ish, something like that in the morning. But just wanted to see one more time, get one more peek. Yeah, there's my poor truck. It's just crazy. But yeah, so we did get the call last night that there's no work. Schools are closed. Work's kaput. I don't even know there's probably even a state of emergency. Who the heck knows? So that means nobody drives on the roads. It's pretty dangerous when you're trying to drive around in this crap. Okay? So guys, if you're on the East Coast, I want you to stay warm and stay indoors and try not to drive. And if you're on the West Coast, boo, I wish I was there because I want to be in the sunny hotness. But no, for real guys. Alright, so I'll talk to you a little later. Maybe, what's today? Wednesday? Thursday. Today's Thursday. So I'll probably check in with you either tomorrow or definitely Saturday. Alright, so please subscribe, like my videos, and follow me on Facebook at Kcurrieweightloss. And I'm getting ready to submit my my contest story. Aww. So, alright guys, I will talk to you soon. Take care. Thanks. Bye.